Chuka! Chuka! Chuka, come and open this door now! Chuka! Chuka, come and open this door! Chuka, come and open this door now! Come and take responsibility of what you've done to me, Chuka! Chuka, come and open this door! Alright, don't open it. You don't want to open it, no problem. I will be back. And when I come, you won't like what I will do.
What was this all about? Eh?
No, it's nobody.
Nobody. What, it sounds like Juliet's voice.
Just go inside, okay? Just go inside.
Okay. I don't understand you. You have been acting strange, seriously. Nobody.
Just today, I received the worst embarrassment of my life ever.
You've been drinking since you got here.
I should better drink. Oh.
Why?
I should better drink.
What's going on?
Joe, could you imagine that? Juliet came to my house this morning, yelling and screaming at the top of her voice. In fact, she was disturbing the whole neighborhood.
Juliet?
Yes, of course. The Juliet that you know.
I mean, your own Jew.
Joe.
The very Juliet that you know came to your house this morning. Really? What for?
She said I got her pregnant. That I should come and take responsibility of what I've done to her. I mean, I don't know what I've done to Juliet to receive such embarrassment from her. I am just totally confused. But which kind of question is this one now? I didn't tell you say I've never seen this girl nakedness before now. I have not seen her nakedness before. I have nothing to do with her. So I don't know where all this one is coming out from. Oh. I don't know. I'm just confused. Hey.
I'm tired of staying alone in this house, becoming bored. I'm tired of it. You go out early in the morning and come back late in the night. I'm tired.
I'm sorry for leaving you here, but it's just that nature of my I can't abandon the site just like that. As a building engineer, I need to be there. See, I want to be with you more than you want to be with me. And the more reason why I allowed you to come here with me is that you normally suspect that I cheat behind your back. But I'm not like that, so I called you here so that you can see that I don't do that.
Ben! I'm exhausted. This place is so bored. No friends, no family. In fact, I want to go back. Okay. I want to go back.
Alright, my work here in Oga will soon finish and we'll go back. So try and get your things.
I want to go back. I'm tired. I just want to go back.
Hello. Alpha. Yeah, it's been a while. See, no, I missed you because the last time you told me that you're coming over, I didn't see you, and at the time your line was not going. Yes, I bought the ice cream. You said vanilla ice cream, right? And I prepared, and I'm not sure why. See, let me tell you, you pay me for the money I spent that day, thinking that you were coming around. Yeah. Don't worry, I'll come in soon. I'll visit you. Maybe when I'm done with what I'm doing here, I'll come. Really? No. You mean you're in town? Wow. Where? Wait. You mean you saw me at Amway Junction yesterday, and since yesterday you didn't call me till this morning? Let me try again. Wait for him. At least you should have called me immediately you saw me. Yes. No, we went to buy wood that we are using in the site and some cement. I would have stopped now and greet you. What's there? Okay, alright, okay. Let me see if you can see this weekend, but I'm not yet sure. If I'm free, I'll visit your brother. Yeah, I'll visit your brother. Yeah. I beg you. I don't miss anybody. I don't miss anybody. I'll be your boyfriend. Okay, it's alright. Hi. Okay. Now regards to your brother. This one. Who will I beg you. Come on, my friend. Okay. I miss you.
Ben.
Yes.
Who was that on the phone?
The phone call, it was me on that, she's my friend, a friend, yeah. Do you remember the guy I told you that I fought with during my school days? Yeah, when I was primary 6. He used to take first position, but it came to a particular time I took first and came second, and both of us fought because of it. I injured him then. Later,
then who is the person you just answered her call? I'm trying to explain.
I'm trying to
explain yourself.
She's the guy's sister.
Ah, really? Sister.
Yeah, we're just best of friends. So the parents invited me to their house. So from there, I got to know the parents and the siblings. We talk. I visit them. Nothing. Yeah. So
really?
Yes. So since then, way back in primary school, we have been best of friends. I have the guy's number. I have the sister. I have the parents. Everybody.
Friends, and you talk with her like that. You miss her, she missed you, you love her. What kind of rubbish is that? Oh, you can be recall. You even got her some goodies, right? I invited her over here.
Listen, I'm sorry. It's just a friend. You as a lady, there might be this male friend that you have nothing, just friends, but you love talking to him, without anything attached to it. We're just friends, nothing attached to it, no intimacy, nothing, just.
Then you respect me the way you say. I want you to cut every relationship between you and this girl, wherever you are. Did you hear me?
Okay, fine. I accept, but I can't just push her like that. That's the friends. I'm not
friends indeed.
Oh, okay, I'll let you have it. I'll reach you about it. Just knowing that it's my childhood friend. It's been a long time. Family friends, no. The brother is a good friend and a good friend to the family. I beg you, this your feet and like them.
Jojo, what's up now? Bro, what about the land I told you of?
Chuka, you come again. Land. Nah, nigga, ego kwena. Akade dole kuchakweni. Nah, brother.
Joe, you're my best guy now.
Yes.
Just help me out on this one. That land is very nice. It's a very nice land. And it's fertile. You can build some buildings on it.
Mr. Preacher, you let us guy, they use me they shine, yeah, young man.
No.
Let me you start your work.
No, Joe, no beside the use to shine now. You're not my guy now. Do something now. Do something for your guy. Make money, small money enter my pocket. Buy this land and build something on it. You can even go as much as possible to build a hotel.
Now my money where you go use develop your village people.
More to talk of self, the land is not even in my village.
Seriously. You know, I told you about that my container. Seriously, these guys are really trying to, do something that I really not plan for. These guys are billing me. Seriously. I'm just trying to keep my head straight. But let's see what comes of it. Once it's out, I will sure. We'll go for anything from my man. And here there about one day. Go here about another way. General when development and paper guy. Now you go buy a bag from me.
Calm down first now.
And me that time I go put 30% addition.
Calm down.
I don't tell you my matter.
The land is fixed on a busy area. I know of that land very much. So you shouldn't bother about the land being boring for you or not. The land is good. Just buy the land and you're good to go. Okay?
Good to go, right?
You're good to go. So don't bother about it.
Okay. If you say so. Okay. Alright, my brother.
I think we need to talk. We need to take this road.
No, let me branch over here. I need to see one of my. I just want to check out on him.
Okay.
Then before it's very important. It's been a long time. So now we are around the area. We see how things goes for them. See how things goes. So what's up now? The situation with Juliet.
Juliet's matter is something else. Each time you just raise up the matter of Juliet, man. I don't know what to say. Seriously, I don't know what to say. But what should we do? We just have to keep our head straight, just like I've been saying. I just have to keep my head straight.
Chuka! Take it easy, okay? Juliet! Chuka! Just tell me the truth.
Chuka, what is it?
Chuka. I just need to know the truth.
Are you here to beat me? Are you here to beat me and your child?
Can you listen to that? Just tell me the truth. I just need to know the truth about the child you carry in stomach. Because I know. No, I need to know. I know I'm not responsible for the child.
Joe, talk to your friend. Talk some sense into your friend's hand. Are you okay?
Juliet.
Why are you creating a scene?
You're the one creating the scene, yes. Yes, you! You're the one creating the scene. Just tell me the truth. Who's responsible for the child?
Chuka, if you want to know, you are responsible. Please. Tell that to your friend, Chuka.
I don't raise the voice at me.
And what will you do?
Oh no. She's the one creating the scene here.
Me?
Yes, you!
Oh my God. You must be kidding, right? You must be kidding.
Don't raise your voice at me.
And what will you do? Beat me?
Enough of this!
Beat me, Chuka!
Come on, guys!
No! I don't even know what I'm doing here. Excuse me.
Juliet! Don't you dare walk out on me! Juliet! Have you seen it? No, have you seen it? Julie! Julie, let's give you a ride!
I don't need it!
Joe, let's get out! Joe, let's go!
Ain't nobody stopping this, ain't nobody holding me down no more. Girl, I'll be begging, please. Don't you dare take your leave. Don't you walk out the door. Cause baby, lately I've been falling deeply.
Ben, who are you talking about? Ben! It's rare by this time of the night.
What about it?
The same girl I warned you about. You said that he's a friend, a childhood friend.
So?
So?
Beauty.
What is wrong with you? A responsible man should be sleeping at the best time of the night, not chatting with some sort of girls.
Wait, no, just wait. You said, you don't say that, a responsible man, you're sleeping by now, so indirectly, I'm not responsible. Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah.
No, just don't. Is that what you're trying to say? That I'm not responsible? Okay, fine. You know what? It's late. Seriously, you're pushing me, and I don't.
Ben, I'm pushing you.
You're pushing me.
I'm pushing you.
How many times will I explain to you that Mirabel is just a friend? So I will not chat with a friend again, or I will stop speaking with my friend because I know you. Or please leave it happen.
Ben, don't touch me. Oh wait, you want to fight me now because of a friend, right? No, that's not wrong. You want to fight me now because of a friend?
Give me.
I'm not going to do
Just give me the goddamn phone, Beauty.
You want to beat me? Beat me! Beat me, young man!
Beauty. Discuss anything about Mirabel. I'll explain to you that Mirabel is just a friend. Get it! Let's bring this into your memory. She's just a friend. Listen,
You're shouting at your girlfriend because of the male girl?
It's just a problem I'm having with you, you know? Oh God. This is just a problem I'm having with you each and every minute. You complain Mirabel this, Mirabel that, but at times Mirabel is even far much better than you.
Oh, wow. Good day.
What's going around?
Yeah.
I'm in high school.
Bless you.
Chuka.
My brother. He's inside. Let me take you.
Boy, oh boy. Boy, oh boy. Chuka. What is going on with you, man? See, you're sitting so helplessly.
Joe, I will excuse you, but I'm coming back later.
It's alright, Mimi. Brother, what's up now? You have to be taking your consistency. So I had to come around to check up on you. What's up now?
Look, as you see your guy here, so I did drown. Bro. I am really drowning.
Seriously. Don't tell this about you. Man. Many before now. Hey, we survived it. Many bounce out. I'm hot. Now this matter now, we want to tell me say, what do it now? Really, you just raise your head above this situation now.
Oh. I won't take raise my head. No reason I'm now. I won't take raising my people now. See, I give him my belly for outside. Check him now. He sound good to your ear. I won't take raising my people now. Say I did now. Give him my belly for outside. Bro, I'm just tired and I'm confused. I don't know what to do. Tired.
I'll tell you the truth. See, Chuka. See this one matter. It tire me. See me what you do. It tire me well. I don't like it. But be it as may. I must say, one step at a time. We take this one step at a time. Okay? One step at a time.
Joe, are you telling my brother about this matter? This is my brother.
He's very, very stubborn. Thank you for at least coming, because I have talked. Ever since this incident happened, he has been acting strange. I am tired though. He's so stubborn.
It's alright. It's alright. Actually, Chuka, I came for something more important. Something very important.
Which is?
Saba, Juliet, and your born child. As I'm talking to you right now, Juliet is critically ill, so that could affect the baby, the unborn child.
I can bloody care about it.
Can you see? Do you just hear him?
Please, Joe. Please.
Chuka, just tell me you're kidding, right? Like, seriously, bro, like, I'm sorry for raising my voice. Please, tell me you're kidding, man. What is it with you? I'm talking about an innocent child, like, an innocent child here.
The child is not mine.
Says who? As matter of fact, says you.
I know, I just know it.
How? You are here claiming that you're not responsible. On the other hand, Juliet is still standing on her grounds that you are responsible. So, let me take something, Chuka. For me, I'm seeing this as an opportunity to reconcile this situation. I must tell you.
Opportunity to reconcile this
Yes.
situation.
Yes. Yes.
So what do you want me to do now?
Wow, that's why I said we need to figure something out.
Love is a blessing, love is unique, love is amazing, as you can see. Love is the only thing that I need. Stuff can sweep you off your feet. The only thing we can find, the medicine I subscribe to. My melody's all for you. Give me your hands, girl, I ride for you.
Yeah, you know I can't leave. Say you stole my heart, now I believe. You got the time that I can't resist. I pray to stay faithful, never to have a beef, yeah. With the positive vibe, your body's a mystery that I got to comply. These TikTok girls got nothing on you. With your brain combined, so divine, yeah.
Love is a blessing, love is unique, love is amazing, as you can see. Love is the only thing that I need. Stuff can sweep you off your feet. The only thing we can find, the medicine I subscribe to. My melody's all for you. Give me your hands, girl, I ride for you.
See, why don't let me come closer? Take you to the movie, then you lean on my shoulder. Turn it up with music, then we dance my closer. In danger, girl, I gon' be your soldier. Yo, tell you
Hey,
that mama told me.
baby, sweetheart, darling, that's it. Then sugar. I know. I did. Not even they ask me why they call you all these names. Oh yeah. You're queen. But they look at you like this, God. I'm seeing goddess of beauty. Any girl that need that happen. Do you have fun, huh?
I'm fine, bro.
Like I said, I'm fine, guys are welcome. But then this house is small but mighty. When you enter inside this house, like the inside, as I'm talking to you, see, you like to go. You enter this place, you be like, baby, can I stay forever? I don't want to go.
At least it's good for the reading.
Read what? Please. Friend. Yeah, what's the thing to read? Read what?
You told me that this place is convincing enough for us to read.
No, I told you that my brother's house is very beautiful. Like, if you enter my, like, no need to explain. You're already in my brother's house. Babe, how do you see the arena? How do you see? How do you see? You like what you see? You like what you see?
You told me that this house is conducive enough for reading. That's why I followed you guys.
Enough. Look at this reading. Let's just have fun.
Bro, there's time for everything. There's time to have fun and there's time to read. And now it's time to read.
I like what you said. You said there's time to have fun and there's time to read. This is time to have fun. If you want to read, I can read it to. There is a vacant tree there. You just like lock the door, feel relaxed, and read. Why would you catch fun here?
It's like there's no point of me staying here.
I don't understand. Okay, you want to take your leave. The door is wide open.
Because the reason why I followed you guys here is to read. Not to watch this nonsense that you guys are displaying here.
Can go. As you can see, I can't leave my bed for anything else.
Seriously?
Yeah. There's still room inside. You can go inside, leave us here and read. But since you want to leave, the door is wide open.
You guys are distracting me, please.
We are just the door is wide open. See, I can't leave my bed for anything else. She's all I have.
So, you prefer me going out of your house? And this is the thing.
Hey, it's looking already.
Sorry. You don't want to. You just have to try. Please now. Sorry. Please now. You have to try. You have to take your medicine. Okay? There's no house now. Sorry. Sorry.
Love is a blessing, love is unique, love is amazing, as you can see. Love is the only thing that I need. Stuff can sweep you off your feet. The only thing we can find. The medicine I subscribe to. My melodies all for you. Give me your hands, girl, I ride for you.
Yeah, you know I can't leave. Say you stole my heart, now I believe. You got the charm that I can't resist. I pray to stay faithful, never to have a beef, yeah. With the positive vibe, your body's a mystery that I got to comply. These TikTok girls got nothing on you. With your brain combined, so divine, yeah.
Love is a blessing, love is unique, love is amazing, as you can see. Love is the only thing that I need. Stuff can sweep you off your feet. The only thing we can find. The medicine I subscribe to.
Don't worry.
My melodies are for you. Give me your hands, girl, I ride for you.
Why don't let me come closer? Take you to the movie that you lean on my shoulder. Turn it up with music, then we dance my cruiser. In danger, girl, I gon' be your soldier. Yeah, I'll tell you a story that mama told me. I'm crazy for love, then I'll be a zombie. Big proud dude, then you humble me. If I'm lost, baby, Google me. Cause, yeah, with you, I wanna start a family. Get a cool wedding, talking monogamy. You got the brains, your heart is so big. I'm certain our keys, I'll be super kid, yeah. Listen, I'm not capping, call me daddy. I make your dreams come true, don't rush it. Big mama, this might be funny, but I don't wanna be with you till forever, yeah.
I'm ready entirely to make it work. I'm flipping and skipping the rules, breaking them off for love. This is personal stuff I can't discuss. I'm holding you back, don't wanna rush, and I hope you never play me. Cause I don't wanna get no other girl to take your place. You're driving me fugazi, I'm lazy, but maybe you can change me. Take my heart, you own me. Love is a blessing, love is unique, love is amazing, as you can see. Love is the only thing that I need. Stuff can sweep you off your feet. The only thing we can find. The medicine I subscribe to. My melodies all for you. Give me the only thing we can find. The medicine I subscribe to. My melodies all for you. Give me your hands, girl, I ride for you.
Yeah, we wanna be with you forever and ever. I just wanna be with you forever and ever. You are the one that gives me peace.
Your mouth. You think I'll give you? Think I'll give it to you? Okay, easy. Okay, because for the sake of the baby.
Okay.
For the sake of the baby. Calm down. Okay. Oh, please. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you. I promise. I promise because of you. That's my baby. Sorry. You good?
It's nice.
No, I learned how to cook from my dad. I can cook now.
Oh, you can do it.
I can cook. I learned how to cook from my dad.
No. Okay, my sister is even there.
That's true. I know the mom that knows how to cook.
No,
Of course.
What are you not saying?
Not my news for me.
Mirabel! Come on! I learned how to cook from you!
From me, of course.
God.
Sorry.
You can cook.
Don't mind how.
Don't you enjoy my food?
Mirabel, why are you lying? Sorry, but actually I learned how to cook from my dad.
Okay.
Alright.
It's okay, no problem. Oh God. I've been eating and you've not eaten.
Don't worry about me.
Don't cry later. Don't cry later.
I won't cry.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
I won't cry. Yeah.
He can cook very well.
You tried.
Yes.
You're happy.
I won a trophy.
Because
it's a trophy to me. Yeah, because I know how to cook very well. Okay, let's go one more time.
No, I've had you've not even eaten more.
Don't worry about me now. No, don't worry about me. I'm good. So how are you faring up today?
Come on, man. Thank you for bailing me out from there. I was looking for Akuba. I got to the fact I was praying, seeking for a way to bathe myself.
Serious?
Watch wait. So I don't sleep, I don't want to go back. I can't feel myself.
I swear.
Oh
God.
So man, I beg you, I know you feel myself. But anyhow, it's not going to feel over you.
Don't bother about it. Just coming from the wedding. So I've already drunk and ate, so I'm okay. Don't bother yourself.
It's alright. So, what about you? How are you surviving your new experience with this your unplanned family?
My brother, I don't be small unplanned family. He took. My brother, he took.
Chuka and Juliet.
I'm just too confused, bro. I'm too confused. I don't know what to do again.
Brotherly, this one matter. It's not matter, sir. What? Why you know her? Reason her now. Reason her. Talk to her. Now that she's now she's staying with you. Now the both of you are living together. You know, meet her. You know, let her tell you the truth. Confront her.
I've thought about doing that.
Okay.
But you see, this recent condition now keeps bothering me. She feels hot at night. She does not want the fan to be on. Or am I to talk about her loss of appetite for food? So bro, I'm tired. I am damn tired. I don't know what to do.
So, what's your next plan? What do you have in mind to do? Do you want to handle it?
I just think I should wait till she puts to bed. Okay? So that I can have time to confront her and to make her tell me the truth about this whole situation. Because bro, I'm running mad. I'm going crazy. It's not easy. Oh, let's just change the topic. I don't want to talk about it again, please. Let's change the topic.
It's alright. Chuka, it's alright. Okay? It's alright. I don't know. I want to insist to get you something, bro. So you... cool.
Bro, no worry yourself, Joe. No worry yourself. Now where they have from they come now? I don't drink, I don't eat scatter. My belly don't full. Sounds my belly big now.
It's alright.
I don't eat a bit. I told you that Man U is going to lose that match. You doubted it. And now you've seen it. Even Ronaldo could not score one goal. Just one goal. Well, next time, you shouldn't have doubted me.
No, besides, I'll be you now. Because you didn't get that for ancestors. Don't be me again.
Chuka! Chuka!
Yes, I'm coming.
Chuka!
You were the one that just asked me to put up the AC. Now you're just telling me to put up the fan now.
Yes. Chuka,
It's okay. Sorry. Sorry.
yeah.
Sorry. Yeah.
Down.
Sorry.
Chuka, fan.
Feeling better now? Very tired. I just need to find
Hey, wait. I want hand fan. Yes.
Hand fan?
You know I can't control the fan, so I want something I can actually control. I want hand fan. Chuka, hand fan. Chuka, hurry. Chuka, hand fan.
I'll get you the hand fan now.
Hand fan, yes. Chuka, hurry.
Chuka! Hand fan! Chuka, hand fan! Chuka!
I'm coming.
Please, Juliet, as I'm leaving now, take care of my brother for me.
Of course.
I know he's stubborn, but please pamper him.
Thank God you
Feed him
know.
well.
He is stubborn.
He likes food.
Oh my God. And you too. You know you're going back to school. You have to be very careful. Very, very careful. Know why you're in school. Please.
Seriously, I'm even thinking about it. School is very, very stressful for me.
But please, be what? Careful. Okay? Very soon you become a what? Graduate.
Oh shit! I can't wait to.
I'm already missing.
Wait. My brother is still dressing or what? I don't understand.
Oh, you've not seen anything. After they will say women takes time while dressing up. But when it comes to him, don't worry, you get
my brother. My brother is something else. Oh my God. Bro Chuka! Hey! Bro Chuka!
Alright. Fine.
Oh, finally.
Really?
But let's be going, Abby.
Good.
Oh, thank you. Come here. Don't miss me so much, okay?
You think that will happen?
Come on, okay. Just count to 10.
I'll start with
No, don't count now. Let me just move out from the gate. Okay? Alright.
Brother, will you please be going? Alright, thank you.
Miracle. Because let's go down.
Okay, alright. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Okay.
Girl, I'll be back in this. And you did take your leave. That you walk out the door. No, no, no. Cause baby, deeply, I've been falling deeply for you. For you. You know, baby, I've been falling deeply for you.
Hello. So you are the one that my man is messing around with? Oh, young lady, shut up! What do you mean? Don't tell me you don't know who I'm talking about. Ben! Yes, Ben is my man. My friend, shut up your mouth. Listen and listen very carefully. I want you to cut every midnight calls, every chat you have with him. As a matter of fact, cut every connection between you and Ben. Listen to me. My eyes are on you. My eyes are on you. Rubbish.
I've reached most of before I can do that. Why are you still in your night dress?
Oh, that. I was stressing myself. I'll change it right now. Yes, I'll change it.
Alright.
Yeah. I'll do it. Thank you.
Love you.
What darling?
I feel like we have the rooms to catch and breathe and it's mine.
You go down to the back.
He's my brother. Forget about him, okay? He's not coming back. I don't think he'll be coming back even in a minute. And let me shock you. I'll be you. You're the best. Like, from the very first day, I saw you like the very first day I comfortable. I never knew that you were so bad. Yeah. No, Oh! Wow. So finally you are in my house. Two of us all alone.
Yeah. We'll have a dance tomorrow.
See, let me tell you, forget about the thing, okay? This is between you and I. Okay?
Okay. What about the special drink you promised?
Yeah. About that, let me just stay there with you, okay?
What happened?
It's not because of you. Are you not the cause?
Because of what? I don't understand.
I thought you abandoned me and our unborn child alone in the house.
Juliet. I promise myself that I will not abandon you or the unborn child. Knowing fully well that I might not even really be the father of the unborn child.
Excuse you. That you can't believe to be the father of this child. Really? Really, Chuka?
Oh no, Juliet, it's not what I mean, okay? I didn't mean it. That's not what I mean, okay?
Have you forgotten Joe's wife's birthday? How you were all over me that night? Have you forgotten?
Joe's wife's birthday. Wait, you mean Cassie? Yeah, I think I can recall what really happened that night. I can recall us drinking and dancing, and I can also recall how I asked Joe to drop me off that night.
Drop you off? Drop you off or drop us off? Which one? Which one?
Us. Wait, Juliet. You mean to tell me we actually did, you know, we...
Ask that to the child in my room. Ask that to the child in my room.
You've been like this since last night. What is it? Talk to me. Are you tired of us? You don't want to stay here anymore. We can go so you live your free life. Why is your face like this? I'm very sure you're fine.
Very sure I'm fine.
You put a smile on your face. You look fine, each of them.
Sorry, I didn't know you were inside. I didn't know you were inside. Sorry. I didn't know you were inside now. Sorry. Is all this necessary?
Anytime you come around, I'm mesmerized by the way you smile. When I see you walking by, I've been hypnotized.
Let me out now,
You
babe.
could be mine.
I'm sorry. Okay, fine. Is it about last night? It won't happen again, I promise. Which one is my door? I'm sorry. Okay? Please, I just want you to stay. Please. Please. Babe, you can't just leave now. You can't just leave. I'm sorry.
Cause baby, lately I've been falling deeply for you. Lately I've been falling deeply for you.
What's happening? Mimi, where was she? Because I haven't noticed your door was wide open. So,
Mimi is in school.
alright. So, we were talking about Julia leaving the house with anger. Because when you really gave me that call, I was like, what really happened? Who could make Julia leave the house?
Well, nothing much happened. It's just that last night she was having a bath in the bathroom and unknown to me, I kind of barged in. She started yelling at me of how I want to come to her when the one I did, I can't even accept the outcome. So, I'm just tired.
I don't really get this.
I don't know what to do.
Like, you're trying to tell me that Julie left the house all because of this?
You've seen it, bro.
You guys really should give us a break. Come on. Except you're not really telling me the truth here. Except you're not really saying the truth. This is not enough for Julie to leave the house. There's no lady that... It's not possible. It's not...
Joe, there's nothing added to it.
But wait a minute. Let me ask this question. I thought the both of you shared the same room. Hello? What could...
We share the same room, but just for a few times. I've not even seen her nakedness. Yes, we do share the same bedroom, but we don't cuddle. We don't even hug. We don't even act like couples. I don't know her reason for leaving.
This one matter self. This one matter don't tire my tires. So, you're trying to say, right there in the bedroom, perfect strangers. Then went out here, out there with us, lovebirds, like perfect love birds.
Joe, with her actions right now, I'm confused about it. I don't know what to think.
Chuka, falling in love?
I swear, bro. I swear.
That's been the song. As a matter of fact, you're about to make an album out of that all this while until the pregnancy news. And now, you are now beginning to enjoy the pregnancy. And now, this.
I'll be back in days. Don't you dare take your leave, that you walk out the door. No, cause baby, baby, I've been falling deeply for you, you know.
Because this is not enough. Because a lady to be there must be more to this. There must be more to this. Bro, what
Shorty
can I
fine
say?
like a goddess.
What
Shorty
can I
fine, she
say?
be the finest. Not true.
The worst part of it all is
Every day she live on my mind. Every day she live on my mind. You, cause baby, lately I've been falling deeply for you, Anytime you come around, I'm mesmerized by the way you smile. When I see you walking by, I'll be hypnotized, wishing you could be mine. Ain't nobody stopping this, ain't nobody holding me down no more. Girl, I'll be begging, please, don't you dare take your leave, don't you walk out the door. Cause baby, lately I've been falling deeply for you. Lately I've been falling deeply for you. Shorty but she the finest, and no other shorty fit compare to you. Ain't nobody like you. Shorty fine like a goddess, in our eyes, though she be an empress. You, I swear not true. Ain't nobody stopping this, ain't nobody holding me down no more. Yeah. Girl, I'll be back in place. Don't you dare take your leave, don't you walk out the door. No, cause baby, lately I've been falling deeply for you, you know. Lately I've been falling deeply for you. Shorty fine like a goddess. Shorty fine, she be the finest. Not true. Every day she live on my mind. Every day she live on my mind. You, cause baby, lately I've been falling.
Hey! Wow, they have brought out this thing. Good afternoon. Good morning. It's not what you think. How do you speak? Brother, sorry, brother. How did you manage to come God. It's not what you think. It's not what. She's my classmate. We are the team. We are the team. We are the team. Hey.
sorry. But there's not what we are using our food. We are done with it. We have the time. We are using our food. Who is she?
Cousins.
What is she doing for us? So, brought your cosmate into our house to consummate with her. Yes, no. Reading book. They are not God. They are reading textbook. You are reading our house. That's endless book. You know what you think? This is the land of God. We are living good. Thank God, what? What you? It's bad. Oh, what? God, please! Cut out! What this boy has been doing in my house! Defining my house! Beauty.
Oh, okay, I'm recognizing you. Welcome.
Just a moment. What did you tell me about?
What's the meaning of that?
What? Are you not? Like, are you mad? What did you tell me about on phone? I was at work today and Mirabel called me on phone and you were like insinuating all sorts of rubbish. Are you mad? Shut up, I'm talking to you.
Hey, you're shouting at me because of the slut!
Listen, nobody is a slut here. Beauty, just mind your business. How many times do I have to explain to you who Mirabel is? Why would you ruin something you don't know when it started? You don't know how the relationship started and you're about to ruin everything. What's wrong with you?
Babe, you were shouting.
Just control yourself for once, Beauty.
She's a slut and the perfect stature.
There's nothing like a slut here. There's nothing like a slut here. Listen, I've had enough of this. I've just had enough of this. And if care is not taken, in fact, I'm losing. I'm just losing everything. I'm losing it. I don't want to do something for you. Why are you trying to ruin everything? Something you don't know when it started. A relationship you don't know when it started. You're trying to ruin everything. I have explained to you countless of times who Mirabel is to me. If you don't get it, let me explain it again, Beauty.
As far as Beauty is concerned, Mirabel is a slut in this relationship. You are cheating with her and me.
Listen, Wizzy. I'm not your parent. I just don't want to go there. But listen and listen attentively. Next time you try this, I mean, the very next time you try this, you're not gonna like it because I've had enough of it. I just have enough of it. Okay? I've had enough of it.
You've had enough of what? You've not seen nothing yet.
Listen, the next time you try it, the very next time you try it,
then nothing will happen, I bet you.
Beauty, I'll do it.
My brother had the audacity to insult me in front of my girlfriend, in front of my oh my God. He embarrassed me. Hi. You know the worst part? He even beat me on top. In front, check it now. Guy, check it.
Andrew.
Andrew. Let me think. Just don't touch me. Don't talk to me. Let me think how to deal with my brother.
Andrew, you're the one that messed up, right? Yes, you messed up. You know the kind of a person your brother is, and you went and brought a girl into his house. He's a responsible man. You don't need that kind of thing.
I don't know. Just look at yourself. You are telling me he's a responsible man. Me, I'm irresponsible now. That I took my girlfriend, my babe. Do you know what she meant to me? She mean 3 billion. My darling, my sugar, my curie pecurie.
This is your babe stuff. And she called you.
See, the only thing, I will take anything from you, like I said, but not insult. See, if you insult my babe, I will chop your head.
My friend, all I know is that you messed up. Okay? Messed up.
I messed up.
I thought you were going to be like your brother. He's responsible. You need to be responsible too.
Just look at you saying, brother, kill you. Why would you be like your mother? Your mother is reading book. Your mother is selling provision at the junction. And you're here reading book. Why can't you start selling your own provision inside school canteen?
I don't understand.
Yeah, she's selling provision, biscuit and popcorn. You will be selling sweet and chewing-gum.
You want to tell everybody that my mom is selling provision, right?
No, your mom will not make sense. Your mom is trying. You are here telling me rubbish.
Calming down.
No. Don't tell me to calm down because you are even. We surprise you. You might be the one that called you. Because my brother told me that you will be out for like 3 months. Not even each 1 week. My brother alive. You. See you. Steve, you. I know you have been envying me. You want to take over my babe. You don't die. See, she cannot love you.
Take over your babe.
She cannot. Babe snatcher. See. I will set him up.
Okay, this is your girl.
No. Calm down. He's claiming that you have money. I will render him useless. Excuse me. I bought this bed with my money. I'm doing that.
Wait, let me ask you something.
Go off.
Let me ask you something.
Don't touch me.
Okay, listen to me.
I'll break your teeth.
Calm down now.
They beat me in front of my girl.
You should go and apologize to your brother.
Apologize to you and my brother.
Hello, Tata. Let me view to the top. Casaladon boss. Person the pulse and sound for our garden. Person won't spoil her business. I won't make you and my guy smoke machine run this thing for me. I don't send you her picture and her address. Yes. I need updates in the next 48 hours. Yes. See. Mirabelle. The battle line is strong.
mesmerized by the way you smile. When I see you walking by, I'll be hypnotized, wishing you could be mine. Ain't nobody stopping this, ain't nobody holding me down no more. Girl, I'll be begging, please, don't you dare take your leave, don't you walk out the door. Yes, baby, lately I've been falling deeply for you, for you. Lately I've been falling deeply for you, for you. Ooh. Shorty but she the finest, and no other shorty fit compare to you. Ain't nobody like you. Shorty fine like a goddess, in our eyes, oh she be an empress. You, I swear not through. Oh, oh. Ain't nobody stopping me, ain't nobody holding me down no more. Yeah, yeah. Girl, I'll be begging, please, don't you dare take your leave, don't you walk out the door. No, 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 cause baby, lately I've been falling deeply for you, you know. Lately I've been falling deeply for you. Shorty fine like a goddess, shorty fine, she be the finest. Not through. Every day she live on my mind, every day she live on my mind.